Good evening, brothers and sisters. I am Jojo Resio. Kasama ko po ang aking wife na si Weng. Currently po, we are serving as cluster leaders dito po sa North B, dito po sa Quezon City. And brothers and sisters, together with us is our daughter, our only child, Ingrid, who is also serving in Singles for Christ. Mga kapatid, gusto ko pong i-share sa inyo na as of yesterday, 100% na po sa leaders ng North B5 ang nakapag-donate na sa angkop. And brothers and sisters, sa amin pong mga members, 70% na po ang hindi pa nagdo-donate. But by God's grace, alam ko, matagal pa, kakayanin po natin ito. Napakalaking achievement po sa atin na makakuha po tayo ng 100% sa ating mga leaders dahil hindi po lahat ay may kakayanang mag-donate. Mahirap po mag-encourage, especially lahat po tayo ay may pang-araw-araw na pangangailangan para sa ating pamilya. May isa po kaming chapter head, mga kapatid, na recently nawalan po siya ng trabaho. But in spite of that, siya po at ang kanyang buong pamilya still managed to donate para po sa kanilang mga scholars sa kanilang chapter. Meron din po kaming isang member na injured. But in spite of that, mga kapatid, nawalan po siya ng hanap buhay, sila po ay nagpumilit pa rin na mag-donate. Maski sila mismo, pinoproblema nila ang kanilang pang-araw-araw na gastusin.
AGW is God's way of making us appreciate the value of giving without expecting anything in return. We made angkop our priority. Hindi kami nagsawa na mag-push sa aming mga members para tumaya at makiisa dito sa programa ng angkop. With constant follow-up, pinauuna naming mag-donate ang mga leaders ng aming area. Siyempre, paano naman sila makakahikayat ng mga members nila to donate kung sila mismo hindi pa nagbibigay?
Hindi rin po basta-basta para sa amin ang makapagbigay ng donation dito sa angkop. Talagang pinaglalaanan po namin ito ng resources at kasama po ito sa program of expenses namin bilang pamilya. Hindi po kami nabubuhay ng sobra-sobra, mga kapatid. Kagaya po ng maraming pamilya, may mga financial limitations din po kami. Pero totoo po, higit na mas masarap magbigay kung kayo po ay nasasaktan at nasusugatan. We give until it hurts. Hindi po galing sa surplus ang ibinibigay natin sa angkop. Mga kapatid, I am very proud to say that for the past years, we have always surpassed our targets, and of course, we attribute this to the faithfulness of our members. Andiyan po sila. Sa kasalukuyan po, we have 21 scholars ang sinusuportahan po ng aming cluster.
The Lord has been very faithful to His promise to our family. He never failed to provide for our needs. And our daughter is a testament of God's generosity.
Growing up, my parents have constantly reminded me of the value of education. More than just having job security and stability in terms of finances, having good quality education is an intangible gift that no one can ever take away. They'd say, "Anak, iba pa rin kapag nakapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral." With their love, support, and of course, constant prayers, I was able to finish my bachelor's degree and now working as a full-time employee. Thank you. During household meetings or even during my personal prayer time, I'd always say, "Lord, help me to become an agent of your love and generosity." And God is truly good, for He has answered my prayers through angkop. By supporting angkop, I am given the chance to share with the scholars the same, maybe even better joy that I experienced when I was still in school. Ang saya-saya kaya mag-aral. It's not all just about achieving academic excellence, but it's also about learning how we present ourselves to society, meeting teachers who will impart their knowledge to us, and meeting lifelong friends along the way. Truly, the greater the blessings we receive, the louder the call is for us to share it with our brothers and sisters in Christ. What better way to do it than to support our community's advocacy in enabling our youth to have access to the education they so deserve?
Mga kapatid, it is by God's grace na kami ay involved sa AGW as a family. Because of this, hindi po kami nagkakaroon ng problema sa isa't isa. Every time that we need to cut on our expenses. Kasi alam po namin na ang aming pagtitipid ay may pinupuntahan na worthy cause. We would like to end this sharing by encouraging all our brothers and sisters to continuously support the AGW. Gawin po natin itong family commitment at sikapin natin na lahat po tayo ay tumaya. Our faithfulness in God is best manifested by our involvement in activities like this. Huwag po tayong matakot na mawalan, mga kapatid. Let us not worry about having nothing for ourselves. Instead, let us focus on giving until it hurts. Seeing Christ in our brothers and sisters who are in need. Feeling God's love in every scholar that we send to school. Let us all be assured of God's immense blessings. Blessings that are beyond our imagination. Blessings that only God can give. Our family will always find inspiration in the stories of our brothers and sisters in Ancop. Whatever happens, we can go and find ways so that we can help our brethren. For all of us here, let us go as an individual, as a family, and as one community to become God's instrument of making the dreams of our brothers and sisters come true. May God be praised.